Hey Arjun, you look quiet today. Is everything okay?
I'm not really okay. I've been feeling low since morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
I'm not sure. I don't want to bother you.
You're not bothering me at all. I'm here for you.
Thanks. I just feel like nothing is going right in my life.
That sounds really heavy. What's been troubling you?
Work has been stressful, and I feel like I'm not doing well enough.
I understand. Pressure at work can be very exhausting.
Yes, and on top of that, I feel very lonely.
Feeling lonely can make everything feel worse.
Exactly. Even small problems feel big right now.
It makes sense. When we're sad, our mind focuses on everything negative.
I keep thinking I'm a failure.
I'm really sorry you feel that way, but I don't see you as a failure at all.
That's easy for you to say.
Maybe, but I mean it. You work hard and you care about doing things right.
I try, but it never feels like enough.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
When was the last time you felt proud of yourself?
I honestly can't remember.
That tells me you've been too hard on yourself.
Maybe you're right.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes. It doesn't mean you're weak.
I know that, but it still hurts.
Of course it does. Your feelings are valid.
Thank you for saying that.
You don't have to go through this alone.
I usually keep things to myself.
I know, but sharing can help lighten the burden.
I'm afraid people will judge me.
I won't judge you. I just want to support you.
That means a lot.
Would you like some advice, or do you just want me to listen?
I think I just want someone to listen.
That's perfectly fine. I'm listening.
Sometimes I feel like I'm falling behind everyone else.
Everyone's journey is different. Comparing yourself to others can be very painful.
I know, but it's hard not to compare.
It is hard, but remember, people usually show only their best moments.
That's true.
You have your own strengths, even if you can't see them right now.
I wish I could believe that.
You don't have to believe it fully today. Just be open to the idea.
I can try.
That's enough for now.
Talking to you is helping a little.
I'm glad. Even small relief matters.
What should I do when these thoughts come back?
Try to pause, take a deep breath, and remind yourself that this feeling will pass.
I'll try that.
Also, be kind to yourself the way you would be kind to a friend.
I've never thought about it like that.
You deserve the same kindness.
Thank you, Maya.
Anytime. Do you want to go for a walk or get some tea?
A walk sounds nice.
Fresh air can help clear the mind.
I'm starting to feel a bit lighter.
I'm really happy to hear that.
I still feel sad, but not as alone.
You're never alone. I'm always here.
I'm grateful for you.
I'm grateful for you too.
Thanks for listening and not trying to fix everything.
Sometimes listening is the best help.
You're right.
Let's take things one step at a time.
Okay, one step at a time.
That's all anyone can do.
Thanks again. I really needed this.
I'm glad you reached out.
Anita? Is that really you?
Rohan, oh my God, I can't believe it's you.
Wow, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm doing well. I still can't believe we're meeting like this after all these years.
Same here. The last time we met was in college, right?
Yes, almost 8 years ago.
Time really flies.
It does. You look the same, just a bit more mature.
Thank you. You look great too.
Thanks. So, how have you been all these years?
Life has been busy. After college, I moved to another city for work.
Oh, yes, I remember you talking about that.
Yes, at first it was difficult, but slowly I adjusted.
What kind of work are you doing now?
I work in an IT company as a project manager.
That's impressive. You always liked technology.
True. What about you?
I'm working as a school teacher.
That suits you perfectly. You were always patient and kind.
That's nice of you to say.
Are you living in this city now?
Yes, I moved back 2 years ago.
And here I am visiting for just a week.
What a coincidence that we met today.
I know, it feels like fate.
Do you remember our college canteen?
Of course, we spent so much time there.
Those were simple and happy days.
No responsibilities, no stress.
Just classes, friends, and dreams.
Do you still keep in touch with anyone from college?
A few people, yes, but everyone is busy now.
That's true. Life changes a lot after college.
It really does.
Are you married?
Yes, I got married 3 years ago.
That's wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you. What about you?
Not yet. Work keeps me very busy.
I understand.
Do you remember our final year project?
How can I forget? We struggled so much.
And still managed to submit it on time.
Somehow, yes.
Those late-night study sessions were unforgettable.
They were tiring but fun.
I miss those days sometimes.
Me too.
We should not lose touch again.
Absolutely. We should meet more often.
Maybe we can plan a coffee sometime.
That sounds great. Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. Let's meet on Sunday. Deal.
I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. This made my day.
It's nice to reconnect after so long.
Yes, some friendships never fade.
That's true.
Let's exchange numbers again.
Sure.
Here, save my number.
Done.
Promise me we'll stay in touch.
I promise.
Take care, Rohan.
You too, Anita. See you soon.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our showroom. How can I help you today?
I'm thinking about buying a new car.
That's great. Is this your first car or are you upgrading?
I'm upgrading. I've been using my old car for almost 10 years.
Then it's definitely time for a new one. What kind of car are you looking for?
I want something comfortable and fuel efficient.
All right. Do you prefer a sedan, a hatchback, or an SUV?
I'm thinking about a compact SUV.
Good choice. Compact SUVs are very popular these days.
Yes, I like the higher seating position.
Absolutely. It gives better road visibility. What options do you have in my budget? May I know your budget range?
Around 10 to 12 lakh rupees.
Okay. In that range, we have two very good models.
Can you tell me about this one?
Sure. This model comes with a petrol and a diesel option.
Which one is better for city driving?
Petrol is smoother for city use. Diesel is better if you travel long distances.
I mostly drive in the city.
Then petrol would be a better choice for you.
What about mileage?
This petrol variant gives around 18 kilometers per liter.
That sounds decent.
Yes, and it also has good safety features.
Safety is important to me.
Of course, this car comes with airbags, ABS, and rear parking sensors.
Does it have a rear camera?
Yes, the higher variant includes a rear camera.
What about the interior features?
It has a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and steering-mounted controls.
That's nice.
Would you like to sit inside and see?
Yes, please. Raul sits inside the car. The seats are comfortable.
They are designed for long drives.
How is the boot space?
It's spacious enough for family luggage.
Sounds good.
Would you like to take a test drive?
Yes, I'd like that. After the test drive, the drive was smooth. I liked it.
I'm glad to hear that.
What is the on-road price?
The on-road price for this variant is 11.5 lakh rupees.
That's slightly above my budget.
We do have some festival offers right now.
Oh, really?
Yes, we can give you a cash discount and free accessories.
That sounds interesting.
With the offer, the price will come closer to your budget.
Can you tell me the final price?
After discounts, it will be around 10.9 lakh rupees.
That's much better.
We also offer easy financing options.
I might go for a loan.
No problem. We can help you with that.
What documents will I need?
Just your ID proof, address proof, and income details.
That's fine.
When would you like to take delivery?
I need a couple of days to think.
Of course, take your time.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome, sir. That's my job.
I'll come back soon.
We'll be happy to assist you.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.